Platform Essentials. The main trade room window shows a chart of an asset. Just below the chart, you can see the time interval panel that allows you to view the price change of the chosen asset for a selected period of time. You can also zoom in or zoom out of the chart as well as focus on the current price. In order to select an asset or a trading instrument, click on the trading instrument in the left upper corner of the chart or add a new asset by clicking on the plus icon on the upper panel. On the right-hand side panel, you can specify the amount of your investment by clicking the Amount. Just below it, you can see the Leverage button, which is available for stocks, forex, crypto, commodities, and ETFs. Leverage is used to borrow extra funds from a broker. Below, you can see the green and red buttons that correspond to the price directions of an asset. On the left-hand side of the chart, the Technical Analysis menu is located. It consists of 4 sections: Chart Type, Time Interval, Graphical Tools, and Indicators. By clicking on the Chart Type icon, you can select a chart type. By clicking on the Graphical Tools icon, you can select additional tools for drawing and creating technical analysis elements such as trends, support lines, and resistance lines. By clicking on the Indicators icon, you can set up and apply various technical indicators that will help you conduct a market analysis. Here, you can also customize various widgets to make your trading more efficient. The panel on the left-hand side of the chart window consists of several sections. Total Portfolio shows all your active and pending positions. You can sort out the positions by type of instrument and see the statistics about all your active positions. In Trading History, you can keep track of all the deals you've made, see how much you've invested, and what results you've made. Chats and support are your channels of communication with other traders and our 24/7 support team. The Leaderboard section shows the list of traders who have made the most profit on their real accounts over the past week. The Market Analysis section provides you with the news related to the companies whose stocks are available on our platform, as well as various calendars. Video Tutorials is a section where you can find all our video materials, including educational videos, news digests, reviews, etc. If you need assistance, go to the Help section and find answers to the most popular questions about our platform or trading, or ask our customer support specialists if you've not found an answer to your question. In the upper right corner, just next to the Deposit button, you can switch between Practice and Real accounts. The balance on your Practice account is not limited. You can replenish it for free every time the balance goes below $10,000. To make a deposit, click on the Deposit button. You will be redirected to the deposit window. A detailed instruction on how to make a deposit is available in the How to Deposit Funds video. We wish you successful trading.